Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to look for internal workbook name and path. As I mentioned previously, we were going to determine what the cell function does. Here, we're just going to look up this internal worksheet name. See this 672B workbook name? We want to be able to put that in this cell. How do we do that? Well, there you go, cell. File name we used. Remember I said you have this info type? A4. All we're doing. We can go in here and play around with whatever we want. This layout here, just appearance. We're not using any of this data here. We have this inventory, but that doesn't serve the purpose of looking up this internal workbook. All we're doing is we're looking for this cell. We want the cell to provide this information. I think this is just a horrible, horrible approach. It's too viewable. There's no reason this data should be viewable from outside sources. There should be a means to show only part of this. It's a 672, not the path. I think technology today and hackers and what have you can get in here. This could just be an inroad for whatever tactic that they're breaking in and interfering with business operations. That's off the track here. Here we have the anatomy, cell, file name. This address, A1, this could be anything you want. I can go in here and put AB4, and we're still going to get, all we're looking at is this cell and make sure it says file name. That's it. You can read this on your own, read it if you need it. That is the cell function. I don't know the usefulness of this particular function. It's there. Use it with caution. Personally, I would want this redacted in some format. I don't think the D in all this other information is pertinent. But that's just me. Cropping would be a pain in the butt to do because this thing is active. See, you can't do much. You'd have to copy, paste special, and then crop it or clean it up a little bit. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, off to the races.